Hello friends, good evening. Today I am looking at one of the very interesting feature in Odoo 19.3 release note. And this time it is revolution because what I am looking is a feature where inventory application is not required to run point of sale as well as e-commerce. How? So we can see simplified inventory management where we don't need a dedicated inventory app, but we can directly manage the product counts for our product. And that is a common feature. I will show you how it works. And the same has been introduced in e-commerce. Like now, we don't need to track, but we can still manage the inventory count for our e-commerce without installing inventory app. So this is my Odoo 19.3 instance where I have only installed point of sale and e-commerce with accounting. I haven't installed sales, purchase or inventory applications. Now when I go and check my products, you can see an on-hand count, an auditable field is here when I track inventory. And if I put any inventory over here, it will directly update a free to use inventory over here. So you can see I am updating inventory where track inventory I have start with 100, now free to use is 98 because 2 are already sold by one e-commerce order. So how it works, we will check that out immediately. So these are some of the product I am just updating my inventory with. So I am updating few inventories for some of my products, and the same will reflect over there. So when I go to my website and I have book one orders over here, when I say deliver, it will register a delivery of these 2 units of this product. Now you can see track inventory becomes 98 from 100 and free to use is 98 again. So let's see, when I'm opening my website and I'm going into shop page, I can definitely see add to cart. I'm viewing cart, like one arranged murder is my book. I'm paying with demo and I'm checking it out. So with this SO number 8, when I'm going into e-commerce and order, SO number 8, you can see one arranged murder is the product where 15 unit was there and 14 is free to use because one is already registered as outgoing based on this order. So when I go in order, I can directly punch this deliver button, means the inventory will be reduced directly. So you can see the impact quickly for your e-commerce. So we don't need any inventory app to manage our simplified e-commerce operations. Now the same will be made available in our e-commerce, in our point of sale, where I want to sell, let's say, this particular product and I'm going into info. Then yes, I do have 10 units available for this product. I am selling one by cash and validating it and continue. So I have sold one and now I am closing my register. My cash balance will be updated and I am closing my POS also. So now when I go into backend and check out my products over here, now you can see 9 is only available, one product is sold out. So based on this order summary, we can see the order will be here where I don't need any inventory app and I can also return the product from here and from backend. So this is really such a wonderful feature Odoo has launched with version 19.3, where we don't require a dedicated inventory app for managing our simplified e-commerce or point of sale operations. You can directly update the quantities and use this feature directly with simple configuration. Hope this video will help many people to start using Odoo as an e-commerce or Odoo as a POS platform nicely. If you have any question, reach out to us at techvaria.com or my YouTube and LinkedIn channel. Thank you guys. Good day.